So there are spacecraft out there drifting off course and nobody can fully explain why. I've been following the Pioneer anomaly for years, and it's one of the weirdest unsolved problems in physics. But here's where it gets wild. Some researchers are now looking at whether parrots could help us crack the code. Parrots have this ability to detect patterns and solve problems we didn't think animals could handle. So, scientists are testing if their pattern recognition might spot something our equations keep missing. It sounds absurd, but sometimes the most unexpected tools unlock the biggest mysteries.